Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are doing well and studying at your home. So, welcome back to your online classes from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of Social Studies, and in our today's video, we are going to start a new chapter from your Social Studies book. So, students, firstly, take out your Social Studies book, Window on the World, which is look like this, and open chapter 8. Okay, open chapter 8, page number 41. Okay, open chapter 8, page number 41. Okay, now students, tell me what's the name of our chapter. Our chapter name is the earth and the sky. Okay, our chapter name is the earth and the sky. Okay, so students, in this chapter you will learn so many new things about your land, about your earth on which you live. Okay, on which you live. Okay, so as you all know, our planet name is earth. So today we will read about the earth. Okay, and we will know the differences between the land, or between the plains, mountains and valleys. Okay, so we will also learn about the sky and the horizon. Okay, so lots of the things in this chapter we will learn. Okay, so students, firstly, turn your page and come on the page number 42. Okay, and put finger on the first line and start reading with me. Okay, students, so put finger on the first line and start reading with me. The earth is our home. It is also the home of trees, animals, birds and fish. When you look at the earth from a distance, it looks like a ball. The surface of the earth is made up of land and water, and it is surrounded by air. Okay, so students, as you all know, in this lesson you will learn about the earth and the different landforms of the earth. Okay, so there are 8 planets in our solar system, as you all know, and our earth is one of them. Okay, so there are 8 planets in our solar system, and they are revolves around the sun. Okay, so they moves around the sun, so it is called the revolves. Okay, so they revolves around the sun. Okay, and our earth also revolves around the sun. Okay, and our earth is our home because we live on earth. Okay, so students, the earth is the only planet in which life exists. Okay, so you all know there are 8 planets in our solar system, but our earth is only planet on which the life exists, and that is why we live on earth. Okay, so earth is the only planet where people can live. Okay, because here life exists. Okay, here the proper atmosphere is exists, the life exists, the water exists, everything that is needed for the life, everything exists on the earth. Okay, the earth is our home because we live on it. Okay, so it is also the home of trees, animals, birds and fish, as you read here. So earth is not only home of our earth is not only home of us. Okay, earth is not only the home of humans, earth is also the home of other creatures, for example trees, animals, birds, fish, etc. Okay, so when you look at the earth from a distance, it looks like a ball. Okay, so when you look at the earth from the very distance, from the very high, it will look like a ball. Okay, it will look like just like a ball, a, a toy ball with you plays. Okay, so it will look like a ball. Is that clear? Okay, so the surface of the earth, as you all know, the surface of the earth is made up of land and water. Okay, so the land on which we live. Okay, so we live on land. Okay, so the surface of the earth is made up of land and water. Water, the water you use for drink, wash the clothes, okay, and the other things. So we are talking about that water here. Okay, so our land, our the earth, the surface of earth is made up of land and water. Is that clear? And it is surrounded by air. Okay, and our surrounded by the air. Okay, so the surface of our earth is made up of land and water, and it is surrounded by the air, and this, the layer of this air is called atmosphere. Okay, the layer of the air is called atmosphere. Okay, now students, let's talk about the earth's surface. Okay, that what is the earth's surface. Okay, so you all know, students, and if you don't know, you will know in this chapter everything about your earth, about your land. Okay, so listen to me carefully, students. So as you all know, 71% of earth is covered by water. Okay, so our earth is not only made up of land. Okay, the most of the part of our earth is made up of water. Okay, the most of the part of our earth is covered by the water. Okay, that is not the pure water that we can drink, but it is water. Okay, and the 29% of remaining is land. Okay, so a fact you know in this chapter is the 71% of the 71% of earth is covered by water, and 29% remaining is land. Okay, so understand it like this. Okay, look at here on the screen, students. If this is land, okay, this is our earth. Okay, if this is our earth, the here you can see only 71% of this is water, this all are water. Okay, and only this part is land. Okay, so here you can see only this part is land. Okay, on which we live, and the other all part are covered with water. Okay, these all are water. Is that clear? Now I hope you understand. Okay, the layer of the air which surrounds the earth is called atmosphere. Okay, so the layer of air that is surrounds our earth is called the atmosphere. Okay, it is made up of gases. Okay, so there are lots of gases, there are so many gases in our atmosphere. Okay, so living things need air to live. Okay, so we all are living things. We not only the humans, but also the trees, animals, fish and birds also, they are living things, living beings. Okay, so they need air to live. Okay, if there is no there is no air on the earth, they can't live anymore. Is that clear? So air is very important for living things. Okay, now students, the different features that make up the earth's surface is called landforms. Okay, so you all know that not all the surface of the earth are same, not everywhere the surface of the earth is same. So when you go any place, the surface is different from the other place. Okay, so the surface of earth is different at everywhere. Okay, so firstly let's read about the land, that what is land. Okay, and then we will read about the different landforms in this chapter. Okay, so first, here you can see the first heading is land. Okay, the first heading is land. Now tell me, what is the spelling of land? The spelling of land is L-A-N-D. Okay, the spelling of land L-A-N-D. Okay, so students, you all have to learn all the spellings. Okay, you don't have to miss any spellings of this chapter, of any chapter. Okay, so you have to learn all the spellings. Okay, So let's read. Land covers just a small part of the earth's surface. Land has many uses. We build our houses on land. We also grow our food on land. Okay. The surface of the earth is not the same everywhere. It is made up of different landforms such as plains, mountains, hills and valleys. A large area of low, flat land is called a plain. Farming or growing plants like rice and wheat for food is mainly done in the plains. Okay. So students, what is land? So land, just a small part, as I told you earlier, just land covers just a small part of earth, okay, on which we live, okay, and there are so many uses of land, okay, because we live on land. We can't live on water, okay. Can you live in water? No, we are not fish. We are not fish that we live in water. We are humans, okay. So we live on earth, okay. We build our houses on land. We also grow our food on land, okay. We also grow our food on land, okay. We grow so many different kinds of crops on land. For example, rice, pulses, wheat, etc. Okay. The surface of the earth is not same everywhere. It is made up of different landforms such as plains, mountains, hills and valleys. Okay. So students, as I told you, the surface of earth is not same everywhere. Okay. So somewhere it is very high, somewhere it is very low, somewhere it is plain, okay. So everywhere the surface of the earth is different type, okay. So there are lots of uh, earth surface. For example, plains, mountains, hills and valleys, okay. So in the further chapter we will read about this, okay. When we read this chapter further, we will read about these all things and we will understand it, okay. A large area of low flat land is called a plain, okay. So a large area, okay, when it is a very broad area, okay, it is very broad area of low, okay. It's low, it's not high like a mountain, it's very low, it's flat, okay. It's flat, like there is no any high and low features. They are very flat area. It is called a plain, okay. And we all know the farming, the growing food, there are growing crops. These all things happen on the plain area mostly, okay. So we grow plants, we grow food items, we grow our crops in the plain, okay, in the plains. And we grow crops, for example rice, wheat, etc. in mainly plains, okay. As you can see in this picture, students, this is the picture of a plain, okay. So the plain area is like this, okay. This is the plain landform that is look like this, okay. There is no any high hills, there are no any mountains, they are plain area, there is a flat area, okay. It is easier to grow plants for food in the flat land of the plains, okay. So the plains are very flat land. As you can see, the plains are very flat land and you can easily grow crops in the plains because it is flat, okay. Here farming is very easier, okay. Is that clear, students? So the further chapter we will read in the next video lesson. So that is enough for today, students. So see you in the next video lesson, and there is a homework for you all. You have to read this chapter at your home, okay. And don't forget to complete your homework, students. So see you in the next video lesson. Till then, bye bye, take care of yourself.